So let me give you a 360 of these miracle knots that I achieve using the rubber band method. I got a comment on one of my other miracle knot tutorials about whether you can use the rubber band method. So I absolutely had to show you that it can definitely be done. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another hair tutorial. We are back with more miracle knots. Yes, more miracle knots. This time though, I did a different method. Instead of doing mini braids, I did ponytails. Keep on watching. So I put my hair in ponytails, and this time I did like medium to large sections. I used the elastic, the little small elastic rubber bands that you get from the beauty supply store. Ponytails in, and then I crocheted three pieces into the underneath the ponytail, and then I braided that all the way down. So that's what this piece is. And then I crocheted 2 pieces in the middle, 2 pieces at the root, and this is what it looks like. Now this hair is a week old. I have worn this hair all week. I did refresh it once with a little bit of water and some mousse, but it is holding up beautifully. It looks just like it looked on day 1, and we're actually on day 7. Now I will say miracle knots have me in a chokehold. I've already told you that, but this ponytail method is even quicker because you don't have to braid down your hair first. You just put the ponytails in, you braid down one time with the feather crochet hair, and then you do the miracle knots in the middle and at the root. That's it. Simple, quick, easy, DIY boho braids in about 2.5 to 3 hours that you can do yourself. So this time I used the QVR Burmese curly feather crochet hair. It's 16 inches in the color natural black. Did get 5 packs, but I only use 4, well really like 3.5, because I still have this left from the 4th package. So this is what the hair looks like. It is an absolute beautiful curl texture. Burmese curly is absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So if you have gotten this far in the video and you have not hit that subscribe button yet, let me give you a moment to do so. And while you're at it, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because I don't want you to miss any of this amazing content that I'm bringing this year. You know someone that needs some hair tips, hairstyle inspiration, hair tutorials, loves protective styles, and natural hairstyles, make sure you share this video with them so that they don't miss out on this amazing content as well. And if you're not following me on other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, same name, Miss Teach 1225. I love how full this turned out. And I did not even have to use all 5 packs. Like, this hair itself is just really full. The texture is absolutely beautiful. I'm just so obsessed with this look. And the kinkier the texture, the more natural and the better it is. I will leave the link in the description box to this hair where you can purchase it. I absolutely love it. And they do have other colors. So I will be trying another color. So stay tuned for that. But they do have a lot of other colors and lengths and textures that you can try from. So make sure you check them out. But let me know what you're thinking about these miracle knots, starting with the ponytails, in the comment section below. You prefer to start with the mini braids or the ponytails? Which is your preference? Let me know what style you want to see me do next. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.